Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, traditional ratatouille. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in a Dutch oven. I add all the veggies and start to saute. Then I add the garlic and the herbs and then saute some more. And I add the tomatoes and stir them in. This is what the ratatouille looks like before the simmer. And the ratatouille will simmer between 20 and 30 minutes. Here's after the simmer. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.